the laughy gas or whatever.
Oh shit, not again!
And her two older brothers they basically put a tape together of like
son of a bitch.
A virus infection zombie apocalypse is hitting like their town or whatever.
Yeah.
And they played it through the radio and
Did she believe it?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay.
This is telling me to go to that museum.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh shit!
Making
No!
Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit, you just fucking laid back and it was like fucking
Charming.
Fight the guy for this thing for the Mythic Dawn, and then he wanted to go into a straight up brawl over the damn
Oh
thing.
shit!
fuck!
That was a barrel miss!
What the hell did I hit?
You climbed the wall!
Oh shit!
You climbed it like Spider-Man. What the fuck? You're serious? You flipped your car on a wall?
Hey, at least there's a repair station there it can take me to.
I'll meet you up the road. Whoa! Damn! How did you do that?
I don't know.
You
I'm sure the stuff is still enabled.
Wow. I'm at 84% damage from smacking into you, man.
I've seen you smacked into me. Fucking right there. The fuck?
Whoops.
I just look at my mirror and you're just like fucking flew off to the left.
My bad. There we go.
Yeah, it's texting and driving.
He just one-shotted me.
Damn!
What the
Damn! Whoa!
fuck?
Holy shit! That's one way to get on the freeway.
Holy shit.
Damn!
I don't think that fucker stood out at all.
Ow.
Oh shit.
How the hell did you get over there?
I was kind of doing a donut.
Okay.